So we're back for another cooking video. We're doing rainbow trout today. We were going to do it at Lady Bower around the reservoir, but because of the fire ban and because it's been so hot recently, unfortunately we couldn't do that. So I brought it home for you and I'm going to show you how I would cook it on my barbecue. We're just going to use logs and just wrap it up and sort of do a bit of a Mediterranean feel to it. And I'm probably going to do some sweet potatoes with it as well. So come and follow me and let's get cracking. So this is obviously the trout, and it's really nice, beautiful fish. I did gut this yesterday. All I'm going to do is wrap this in some foil. So we're going to wrap it in some foil and basically keep it simple. So we've got the trout, just put that to one side a minute. Now just here I've got some oak shavings. I'm going to bung that on the barbecue in a bit, just because I love the smell of oak, and I just adds to the bit of the flavour, I think. So we've got some garlic. Move that board out of the way. Got some garlic that we're just going to crush. Remember, just keep it rough. Just squash that down. If you just squash it down like that, and then you should be able to almost pinch the end, and that should more or less fall out of there. Like that. Say, don't worry if you've got a bit of the skin in, that's fine. I like it. In fact, I'm going to just put that in there for a bit of extra flavour. And we've got our lemon. Now I want to cut a section off to save that for later. And then I'm going to cut a few thinner slices for the inside of the fish. And then here I've got a bit of pesto and sun-dried tomatoes and some sun-dried tomato oil. Just mix that in together. That's going to go in there as well. Got probably half an orange pepper. Take that out. Just dice this up. Just roughly. Got a nice vine ripened tomato. Right, so I'm going to have half of my dinner, and then I'm going to dice the other half up. Again, nice and rough. This is all going to go in the foil. And then we've got a bit of white wine and a touch of olive oil and a bit of butter. So we'll bring this beautiful fish back out, and I'm going to put some lemon inside. Along with the garlic. And a good dollop of that in there. it a nice bit of butter. As you can see, it's really warm. Don't worry about that. And now get some beautiful pepper and tomato. Cover that fish and I'll put the rest of that on top. Again, like my last fish dish I did, I'm not putting any salt on it. Although this is out of a reservoir, I still don't feel like it needs salt. Nice bit of white wine. Bit of white wine in there. And that's pretty much it now. And then so we're going to wrap that up. And what you want to do is you want to bring that over and then just pinch it at the top so it forms a nice seal. However, because it's going on the barbecue, I'm probably going to wrap this twice just to protect it a bit more. If it was going in the oven, you wouldn't need to. I'm going to just quickly prepare my sweet potatoes. So all I tend to do now is chop the ends off, give it a rough scrape just to get any bits of soil or bits of rubbish off there. Don't worry about peeling it. There's a lot of goodness in the skin. That's that one done. Okay, so there's our sweet potatoes prepped. So all I'm going to do then is dice them up again. Into nice little cubes. And then I'm going to use the other half of the pepper. Got that a bit bigger this time. And then yet again, going to put this on there. With olive oil. Just a bit of rosemary from the garden. Again, roll that over and pinch it, make sure it's tight. And then I'm going to double it up again. got our rainbow trout, sweet potatoes and orange pepper ready to go on the fire. So that's almost ready. We need it, leave it a bit longer. Let those flames die down before we get the fish on. Okay, so time to get this on. Get those potatoes at the back. Smoke in the eye. And we'll get a bit of this oak on. To 8 minutes, and let's crack it open and start eating. Right, here we are then. There's the trout. And the sweet potatoes. So, this is the grand unveiling. Oh, where's smell-o-vision when you want it? There it is, that beautiful rainbow trout. Again, thanks to the guys at Ladybell Fisheries for supplying this fish. Absolutely stunning it is. White meat there. Fish is good. Sweet potato, good. Get a bit more lemon on. And the only thing that leaves to do finish off the wine. Cheers. Now go away so I can eat my fish. Mmm.